Hello, my name is Jamie Shaw. I'm a senior CAD support specialist with the Illinois Department of Transportation, and today we're going to talk about cover sheets. So we want to build our cover sheet in OpenRoast Designer. First thing we're going to do is go in and attach a PDF, and you can do this. There's a second way you can do this too, but I'm going to show with a PDF first. So I'm going to go into my CAD sheets, change this to all documents. I'm running in ProjectWise, but this can be done outside of ProjectWise as well. I have my Sangamon County PDF. I can select OK on it and hit OK. Yes, that's fine. I'll do a fit view. So my projects is right up in here. This is Illinois 125. This is Illinois 97. So what I want to do is go to drawing production, select place name boundary. I want to select from drawing boundary, and then you see I've got a drawing boundary cover sheet, and then I can name this cover sheet or title sheet or whatever you want to name it. You can give it a description if you want. You want to leave it a full size. Underneath the detail scale, there's place single name boundary or multiple. We want to make sure we select single name boundary, and we want to check the create drawing dialog box. You see I got a box on the end of my cursor. That box is the bounding box for the map on the cover sheet. We're just going to go in here to where I want to clip this out at, and we're going to left click. We get the create drawing dialog box. Make sure this is 1:1. This one's 1:1. You can add it to the sheet index if you want. Select OK. You see it gives me a map, background map on my cover sheet. All this stuff you can fill out with a sheet index. We can cover that another time. But there's how you create your cover sheet. Now, if you need a detailed map for a cover sheet, go back and see I already had some cover sheets in there, so let's go ahead and clean this up. Let's go detach our reference. Let's go home, delete our models. Let's go into drawing production and other groups. See, we got our cover sheet in there. Delete that name boundary. Sometimes it doesn't like to delete, so I'll come in and do this. If it's still there, then I can do an RD equals. Clear everything out. So now this time we're going to do attach a raster. And when I go to File, Attach, Raster, oops, cancel. And I want to cancel that too. I want to do File, Attach, Main Map. You should get this dialog box. You want to set your layers to leave it set at road. Go ahead and click Attach. See, we're down in the Gulf of Mexico. I'll zoom out a little bit. Get up here in Illinois. Actually, we clipped Illinois 125 97, which is up here. We're on I-72 over in Jacksonville. The project is, and it's Massey Lane in Jacksonville. So Massey Lane is right here. So with this, if you go in and set it like this, you can't clip these maps because it's like a a hidden image. If you attach it as a raster, the raster can be clipped. So we're going to go and we're going to set our drawing production. We're going to go to place name boundary, and this time we can kind of assign a scale to it if we want to. So got cover sheet, type in cover sheet again, give it a description. We can give it a 1 to 50 scale if we want, but notice it's a little bitty, so we may want to go up to 1 to 1,000 to get our whole massy lane in there for our cover sheet. So once you see the bounding box around it, so once you pick out where you want to place it, just left click and get your cover sheet. 3, we're going to give this a detail scale of 1,000, and our detail scale down here is going to be 1,000. Select OK, and there's your map. Zoom in a little bit, you can see massy lane. Now you can label all this. It's to an exact scale. 1 inch equals 1,000 feet. So there's 2 different ways you can do your cover sheet there. So if you need to go bigger than 1,000 feet, you can do custom and bump it up to 2,000 feet or whatever you need. So that's all I have for you today on cover sheets. Hope that helps.